𝒉𝒊𝒂𝒚𝒊, the owner of the museum. This was after he and his team spent over 2 decades collecting more than 4,000 pieces of century-old patterned tiles.
They are old tile and they are not modern. About 100 years old. They look new because they have been repaired. And they have some fruit in it and animals. That is Taiwan's unique tile culture.
Done by hand, or is it done like in an intricate
it's
way?
hand painting by master for 3 hours.
3 hours for just one of these?
Yes, yes.
There's a train coming. Oh, look.
Hey, let's take a picture.
We stand. That's all.
Got it?
Vibrant painted tiles have long been used to demonstrate the wealth of the owners of the building. 𝒉𝒊𝒂𝒚𝒊, the owner of the museum, collected resources to purchase and renovate this building in 2015. This was after he and his team spent over 2 decades collecting more than 4,000 pieces of century-old patterned tiles.
Welcome to Taiwan Tile Museum. Well, you can see that this wall is made out of many tiles, right? The tiles are not new, they are all old buildings. They look new because they have been repaired.
Because Taiwan's not the only one that's making these tiles or maybe reviving them. What's the main difference, or what's so special?
It's special for its combination with red bricks.
Just with the bricks?
Yes, and they have some fruit in it and animals. That is Taiwan's unique tile culture.
Does it symbolize anything?
Yes, symbolize for harvest. Yes.
Oh, harvest.
Okay. And rose means love.
And I'm guessing these tiles used to be only for certain people, right?
In the past, tile are more expensive than land. So
Oh, really?
you know, the tile is very precious.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Is it because it's done by hand, or is it done like in an
it's
intricate way?
hand painting by master for 3 hours.
3 hours for just one of these?
Yes, yes.
Where do these tiles come from? How do you collect them?
Oh, from all over the Taiwan.
From old buildings?
If they are going to tear down, we go to rescue them. Yes.
So this building used to be...
A timber shop.
Oh,
Yes.
wow, okay. So the wood that we see around here, are they left from that period?
Yes,
Or they
from
made
that period. Yes.
This one is really intricate.
It's novel.
Oh, it's a novel?
It's a novel.
Oh, so it's like it's got a story.
And is this part of the same story?
Yes, same story.
Oh, it's like a kung fu story.
It's kind of like those Chinese calligraphy paintings, but on ceramic tiles.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are old tile and they are not modern.
How old?
About 100 years old.
But I saw a tile over there that's a 禁烟 on it,
Yes,
which is
yes.
like no smoking.
It means no firework. Yes, in the past. Yes, it's at the factory. Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, I see. But do people use it still nowadays?
Yes, yes, yes.
Use it?
Used in maybe restaurants.
Say no smoking.
Yes,
Yeah.
no smoking. So funny.
It's a timeless piece of tile, yeah. So how are we doing? How's coloring going?
Mine actually symbolizes a lucky clover.
Oh, it's like a 4-petal clover.
So are you feeling lucky?
I hope I will be after I'm done with it.
I think represents, she said, like having a good and smooth career. So I'm hoping that by drawing this,
You'll get paid more. So mine, I think it's a lily. It's kind of like a play on words, so that everything goes well, like a good fortune. And I guess by drawing this, I'm hoping for that. But currently, I feel like I'm in bad luck because this petal is really hard to color in. Do you see these lines?
Yours is the most intricate design, yeah.
trying really hard to color within the lines. It's just like, I know that like a 9-year-old could do a better job than me.
Did it just feel like a kid again?
I feel like an untalented kid. Like,